Hyte X50 PC case. Style meets performance. With a catch, the Hyte X50 is a striking entry into the crowded PC case market, prioritizing aesthetics in a way few competitors do. It's a case that doesn't just house your components. It shows them off, wrapped in rounded glass and bold color options. While it delivers on quiet operation and cooling, it demands a level of meticulousness from builders that may deter beginners or those who can't tolerate visible imperfections. Design and aesthetics. A bold statement, the X50 stands out with its fully rounded glass panel design, supported by unique half-dome legs. This isn't just a case, it's a display piece. Hyte offers the case in eye-catching colors like matcha, lilac, and black, pushing beyond the standard black or white options. The design has drawn comparisons to high-end kitchen appliances like KitchenAid mixers, suggesting a shift toward making PC hardware a visible part of the home aesthetic rather than a hidden utility. Performance and cooling. Quietly effective despite its open design with numerous fan grates, the X50 operates surprisingly quietly. The thick, laminated tempered glass effectively dampens system noise, even under load. The case supports various cooling configurations, including up to 3 fans on both the front and motherboard sides, accommodating large radiators. While this versatility is a plus, it requires careful planning to optimize airflow. The case's design also poses a minor issue for AIO CPU cooler setups. The top-mounted PSU can hinder optimal radiator placement, requiring builders to mount coolers on the side instead. However, the case's ample space allows for flexible configurations, ensuring efficient cooling regardless. Building experience. Demanding precision, the Hyte X50 isn't the most beginner-friendly case. Its generous windows expose every cable and component, demanding a clean and organized build. Visible cables, uneven fan placement, or mismatched colors will stand out, requiring extra effort to achieve the desired aesthetic. The case offers plenty of tie-down points and hook-and-loop straps, but even with these aids, achieving a flawless look requires attention to detail. Space behind the motherboard and near the power supply can be tight, adding another layer of complexity. Color matching and customization. A limited ecosystem Hyte offers color-matched fans, which are recommended to complement the case's bold color options. Beyond that, finding components to match the X50's unique shades, lilac, matcha, etc., is difficult. This limitation means builders may need to compromise on aesthetics or invest in custom cables and shrouds. Hyte also sells an Air version of the case with a curved mesh panel for those who prefer a less exposed look. However, this version comes only in black or white, sacrificing the X50's signature color options. Who should buy this case? The Hyte X50 is ideal for experienced builders who prioritize style and are willing to invest time in perfecting their builds. It's not recommended for first-timers due to its demanding nature. Perfectionists should be prepared to either tolerate imperfections or go the extra mile to achieve a flawless result. For those who want a striking, high-performance case that stands out, the X50 is an excellent choice. Despite its quirks, it delivers on both aesthetics and functionality, making it a worthwhile investment for builders who demand more than just raw power.